Good morning, all of you. Yesterday we have seen differentiation formulae and how to do the derivative of product rule and quotient rule. Right? Basic rule will be there. If inside the basic rule, whatever it is there, you take that as capital X. And then write the basic rule and then d by dx of capital X. That is the method of doing the differentiation. Let us see some more problems, applications of it. Look at. If y equals to, the expression is given like this: 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x to the power 4 and so on, 1 plus x to the power 2n. This is given. Then dy by dx at x equal to 0 equal to dash. That means dy by dx at x equal to 0 means first you have to find derivative, and after finding the derivative substitute x equal to 0. Look at this. This expression contains several factors. Directly doing that is difficult. That's why whenever this type of expressions will come, product, first term is what? 1 plus x. So plus is there, you multiply with minus. First bracket is there, first factor. You multiply both numerator and denominator with first factor minus. This. So now, if you look at this, these two, if you club till here, till two terms, you will get 1 minus x square, a plus b into a minus b. Then before 1 plus x square, what you will get? 1 minus x square. That means till three terms, it is 1 minus x square whole square. That means before this term, what you got? Minus 1. Like that before this term. That means finally, if you multiply till the last term, look at, before 1 plus x square you got 1 minus x square. Before 1 plus x power 4 you got 1 plus 1 minus to the power 4. That means before this term you will get 1 minus x power 2n into, like that. If you keep on clubbing the terms, you will get like this. That implies y is nothing but a minus b into a plus b whole square divided by 1 minus x. That means 1 minus this is a power m into n, 2 power n into 2. A power m whole power n is what? A power m into n. That means 1 minus x power 2 power n plus 1 divided by 1 minus x. This is final simplification of y. Now you can calculate what is dy by dx. D by dx of one minus x. Now look at this. So this is u by v, quotient rule, u by v. That means I am writing the derivative. Look at 1 minus x v into d by dx of u minus u into d by dx of v divided by v square divided by v square. This, so now 1 minus x. Now derivative of this is 0. This is derivative of this minus derivative of this. Now this is of the form x to the power number is there, x to the power n, that is. That means n into x to the power n minus 1. This is n. n into x to the power n minus 1 derivative minus derivative of 1 0 minus 1 divided by 1 minus x whole square. 1 minus x whole square. Now this is final dy by dx. Now dy by dx at x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0 wherever it is. Put x equal to 0. That means you will get 1 minus 0 into this. If you substitute x equal to 0, this term will become 0. Look at 0 to the power, that is 0, minus 1 minus, if you substitute 0, you will get 0 minus 1 divided by 1 minus 0 whole square. That means what you will get. So this is 0. So this is 1 divided by 1. So answer is what? 1. Like that, given functions, simplify and do the derivative. Directly you cannot get. Next. If y equals to sin x, one expression is given like this. Cos x into cos 2x and so on. Cos 10x. So you have to find dy by dx. dy by dx. Look at this. So if you look at, you have to simplify this expression. You can observe here angles are there. Denominator 2 causes are there. The angles, if you observe, this angle minus this angle is x. Similarly, in all the terms, difference of angle is what? X. You can observe difference of all the angles is x. Now, how I am writing is, this I will multiply. Here you will get sin x, here you will get sin x, here you will get sin x. Here sin x is there. I will write sin x as here in the first term sin of 2x minus x. This plus sin x divided by here. Here I will write that sin x as sin of 3x minus 2x divided by cos x plus sine of last, I will write it as sine 10x minus 9x divided by cos 9x into cos 10x, like this. Now in every term you can observe, in every term you observe sine of a minus b divided by sine cos a into cos b. Look at, let us say this is a, this is b. Sine of a minus b divided by sine of a minus b divided by cos a cos b. That means let us take actually what you will get sine of a minus b. You will calculate first what you will get. In every term it is there. Sine of a minus b divided by cos a cos b. What is sine of a minus b? Sine a cos b minus cos a sin b divided by cos a into cos b. This. So if you split this, cos b will get cancelled. That means this is tan a minus tan b. This by this is what? Tan a minus tan b. In every step, sine of a minus b divided by cos a cos b. That means tan a sin 2x minus sin x. Next step, sin 3x minus sin 2x. Last step, tan 2x minus tan x plus tan 3x tan, right? Now you can observe. So these terms will get cancelled. Tan 2x here, tan 2x here. So in the next step you will get tan 4x minus tan 3x. This term will also get cancelled. This term will remain. So before term what you will get tan 9x minus tan 8x. This tan 9x will get cancelled. That means out of these only two are remaining. Minus tan x, tan x. So this is simplified to y this. Now dy by dx is nothing but d by dx of this minus d plus d by dx of this. Tan x. So d by dx of tan x is direct rule. Minus secant square x minus secant square x. Now tan rule, this is capital X, I told capital X, right? Tan x is what? Secant square x. Secant square capital X is tan x into d by dx of capital X is what? 10. D by dx of tan x is 10. That is the answer. Like that, after simplification, you have to do the derivative. Next. d by dx of x plus root of x square minus 4 whole power 100. Let us take this d by dx of x plus root of x square minus 4 whole power 100. So now, if power number is there, we will assume this as capital X. We will assume this as capital X. Right? Capital X to the power 100. That means capital X to the power n. That means n into. What we will write? 100 into x power 99. Capital X means directly you write to the power 99 into d by dx of x. Whatever x has been taken, you do the derivative of that. Derivative of that. So that means 100 into d by dx of x1. This. So now again root, whenever root is there, you take this capital X and write the formula root x. One plus derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x into d by dx of x square minus 4. Write directly d by dx of x square 2x d by dx of constant 0. This, so 2 cancel. Now take the LCM. If you take the LCM, root of x square minus 4 plus x, same thing. That means to the power 99 into to the power 1 to the power 100 divided by what is the answer? Root of x square minus 4. This is the answer. Next, d by dx of another example. So, derivative of log of x plus root of x square plus 2. Right? Root of x square plus 2. Now, first one function is what? Logarithm function. This completely you take as x. You take as x 1 by x 1 by capital X d by dx of x. I am writing here plus d by dx of x means this d by dx of x plus that into d by dx of x is 1. So that is root x. Root x means 1 by 2 root x into derivative of x 2x. So take the LCM. You will get root of x square plus 2 plus x divided by, so this and this will get cancelled. That is the derivative. Next, Okay. D by dx of root of sine 2x plus root of sine 2x. Look at here. So this is d by dx of root is there. This completely we take it as x. So this complete whatever it is there, that take it as x. So that is root x. Root x means 1 by 2 root x into d by dx of this. D by dx of this means d by dx of sine 2x plus d by dx of root sine 2x. This, so this x I have written. D by dx of x means d by dx of this plus d by dx of this. So now look at sine 2x. So this is capital X. Sine 2x. Sine capital X means cos capital X into derivative of capital X is 2x2. This plus d by dx of root x. This is x. 1 by 2 root of sine 2x into d by dx of sine 2x. D by dx of sine 2x means cos 2x into derivative of 2x, that means 2 divided by 2 root of rotate the LCM cos 2x. Here you will get cos 2x, 2 cos 2x, cos 2x I am taking common. You will get 2 root sine 2x plus 1 divided by 2 root sine 2x sine 2x. This is the derivative. This is the derivative. Next, d by dx of log of, inside the logarithm this complete expression is there to the base e. So now look at logarithm function is there. This completely is x. This completely is x. That means 1 by x into d by dx of x means d by dx of this completely. That means d by dx of root of cosecant x plus 1 minus d by dx of root of cosecant x minus 1. Now here it is x, here it is x. D by dx of root x, both is of form, both are of the form d by dx of root x. Write the formula first. So 1 by into, what is the formula? 1 by 2 root 2 root cosecant x plus 1. Root x is what? 1 by 2 root. Again, you have to do it for x. That means d by dx of cosecant x minus cosecant x cot x. This plus 1 means d by dx of 1, 0. So minus root x. X is here cosecant x minus 1. 1 by 2 root x. Minus 1 into d by dx of x means what? D by dx of cosecant x minus d by dx of 1. That means again cosecant x cot x. So this you will get. So now here I am taking minus cosecant x cot x common. Divided by 2. Divided by 2 I am taking common. That means you will get 1 by root of divided by this is the derivative. Now here you take LCM. So this 2 will come down. Will come down into, if you take LCM, divided by root of, look at this into this you will get a plus b into a minus b cosecant square x minus 1. Now look at this factor will get cancelled with this, then you will get minus 1, because if you have to take minus common for cancelling, so you will get minus 1 here. In the question you take 0 less than x less than pi by 2. In question you take 0 less than x less than pi by 2. In the question. So look at. So this is minus cot x divided by 2 into cosecant square x minus 1 is what? Cot square x. So root of x square, what I told, you have to write modulus x divided by 2 into modulus cot x. Modulus cot x, that means, but given in the question, x lies in the interval 0 to pi by 2 means first quadrant. In first quadrant, cot x is what? Positive. That means modulus cot x will be cot x only. So what is your answer finally? Minus 1 by 2 cosecant x. That is your answer. ఏంటమ్మా చెప్పమ్మా మైనస్ ప్లస్ 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 ఓకేగా ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంది కదా, మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్, రైట్. Next. Next problem. Find f dash e. F dash e means it is nothing but derivative at x equal to e. Right? After finding derivative, you have to substitute x equal to e. First, what you have to do is derivative of log x to the base e is 1 by x, but here base is 5. So whenever base something else is there, you write log a. Log a to the base e is what? Log a divided by log b. Log a divided by log b. This is a. A is log x to the base e, b is 5. That means this is nothing but divided by log 5. Divided by log 5. That means if you are writing this means here base e will be there. You can write this as log a to the base e divided by log b to the base e. Now look at f dash x means d by dx of this. So this is constant. This is right. So now d by dx of this is log. Inside one is capital X. Inside one is capital X. So first log x is nothing but 1 by log x. 1 by x into d by dx of x you have to write. That is nothing but 1 by x. D by dx of capital X is what? 1 by x. Now that means, so f dash e is nothing but substitute x equal to e. That means 1 by log 5 to the base e. Log e to the base e is 1 into e. This. So that means this can be written 1 by log a to the base b. If you write in the numerator, that will become this answer. Log a to the log 1 by log a to the base b is nothing but log b to the base a. Like that, whenever base is something else given, you use this formula. Next, if y equal to log of log x to the base e base x square. Find dy by dx at x equal to e. Find dy by dx at x equal to e. So look at this is log a to the base b. First simplify this y. So that means log of divided by log x square to the base e. That means now dy by dx derivative is nothing but d by dx of this power you can write outside 2 log this. Now both functions are there. Quotient rule, division rule is there. U by v, u by v rule you have to use v into d by dx of u. First write, after that we will write this. So v into derivative of u minus divided by whole square. Right? First u by v formula, then base e. Look at this derivative. Now log, this inside one is what? Capital X. That inside one is capital X. So log x formula is what? 1 by capital X. So 1 by capital X into derivative of x is what? Direct 1 by x minus 2 is constant, derivative of log x direct formula divided by, so this log x cancelled. Now dy by dx x equal to e. Substitute x equal to e. X equal to e means here you will get 2 into 1 by e minus. So look at log e to the base e is 1. Here this will become 1. Log 1 is 0 divided by 4 into this is log e to the base e 1 square. That means what you will get? 2 ones, 2 twos. That means answer is 1 by 2. Right, like that. Suppose next problem. Next problem. X minus 2 by x plus 2 whole power 3 by 4. F dash 0 equal to dash. E power x into, for this only 3 by 4. X minus 2 by x plus 2 whole power 3 by 4. Complete in the logarithm. You have to find f dash 0. So first let us simplify f of x first. Like that you don't do directly. Equal to, this is log of a into b, that is log a plus log b. Whole power 3 by 4. That means x will come up. Log e, nothing is there means base e will be there, x into 1. Log e to the base e 1. 3 by 4 outside. 3 by 4 outside, log of a by b is there. Yes. So simplify. F dash x is nothing but d by dx of this. So d by dx of this means constant outside. So this is 1 plus 3 by 4 into, so this is capital X. Log x is what? 1 by x into derivative of x minus 2. 1 minus 0 minus 3 by 4 into, this is capital X, log x, 1 by x into derivative of x is 1, derivative of 2 is 0. Now f dash, you got f dash 0 is nothing but substitute 0. So if you substitute 0, this is nothing but 1 by 3 by 4 into minus 2. So minus 3 by 8, minus 3 by 8, 4 into 2. That means 1 minus 6 divided by 8. 2 3s, 2 4s. That means answer is what? 1 by 4. Okay, next. Look at this. So y is root of 1 minus sine inverse x divided by 1 plus sine inverse x. Y dash 0 you have to calculate. Y dash 0. Look at y dash is nothing but dy by dx at x equal to 0. Y dash is also derivative. That means you have to find first d by dx of this. So now look at it. So whenever root is there, this complete whatever the circle one, you take this as capital X. D by dx of root x. D by dx of root x is nothing but 1 divided by 2 root x. 2 root x into the d by dx of capital X. Yes. So this is u by v. That is u by v again derivative. So therefore, this root will come to the numerator. That means root of 1 plus sine inverse x divided by root of into. Now let us write u by v rule. That means 1 plus v into derivative of this. Derivative of this means what? D by dx of 1 0. Derivative of sine inverse x standard rule. 1 by root of 1 minus x square minus u. So derivative of v means derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of sine inverse is nothing but this. So whole divided by v square. So this is the final derivative. This is the final derivative. Now what you want to calculate is dy by dx at x equal to 0. This is also called y dash 0. Y dash 0. Substitute x equal to 0. Sine inverse 0 is nothing but sine inverse sine 0. That means 0. So this will become 1 divided by 2 into 1 minus 0. 1 by 2 into. So this is sine inverse 0, 0, 1 into. This is minus 1 by 1 minus 0 minus 1 minus. This is 0 and this is 1 minus 1 into 1 divided by 1 plus 0 whole square, that is 1. That means you will get minus 2 divided by 2, that is minus 1 answer. Next. d by dx of tan inverse root of x minus 1 divided by 2 minus x equal to dash. Okay. D by dx of tan inverse root of x minus 1 divided by 2 minus x. Look at this. First basic function is what? Tan inverse x. This root 1 completely is x. Whatever it is there, this completely take it as x. What is tan inverse x rule? 1 by 1 plus x square into again d by dx of this d by dx of x. Now if you take the LCM, you will get 2 minus x, 2 minus x up 2 minus x plus x minus 1, that is 1. That means you will get 2 minus x. Again derivative of this. This is of the form root x. This is of the form root x. That is what? 1 by 2 root x into again derivative of capital X. So what is the x taken? This. So therefore, so this root of 2 minus 6 will come up. divided by into. Now what is this? U by V. Again U by V. Look at V into 2 minus x into derivative of x minus 1. Derivative of x minus 1 is 1 minus 0 minus derivative x minus 1 into derivative of 2 minus x is what? Direct 0 minus 1 divided by 2 minus x whole square. 2 minus x whole square. So therefore this is nothing but, look at 1, 2 minus x will get cancelled here, right? So root of 2 minus x divided by 2 root x minus 1 into what you will get here. So if you look at here, you will get 2 minus x plus x minus into minus minus 1, that is 1. So 1 divided by 2 minus x. So this will strike off with this root of 2 minus x. Right? So what is the answer now? 1 by 2 into root of x minus 1 into 2 minus x. So that is the answer. Okay. Let us take this one. D by dx of tan inverse root of a minus b by a plus b into tan x by 2. Right? So first function is what? Tan inverse. Take this capital X. Take this capital X. That comes out to be 1 divided by 1 plus x square. That means this is square. So for this constant, root will be gone, and this is tan square x by 2. Tan square x by 2 into d by dx of that you write. That step you write. D by dx of root of a minus b by a plus b into tan x by 2. Tan x by 2. Now look at this is constant. No need to apply uv. Constant means right outside. For this only you have to write derivative. So tan x by 2 is nothing but tan x. Right? Tan x. That means derivative comes out to be constant. D by dx of tan x is secant square capital X into d by dx of x by 2. D by dx of x by 2 is what? 1 by 2. So now look at here. Here I am taking the LCM. If I take the LCM, a plus b plus a minus b tan square x by 2 divided by a plus b. Right? So this a plus b will come up. Into this 1 by 2 I am writing here. 1 by 2 I have written. This I am writing 1 plus secant square, I am writing 1 plus tan square theta. Simplifying further. Right? So now I am taking a common, a into 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus b into 1 minus tan square x by 2. Right? So this root will get root of a plus b. Root of a plus b will come here. Right? So this will become root of a plus b into root of a minus b is nothing but root of a square minus b square. So 1 by 2 into root of a square minus b square divided by in these two what I am doing is I am taking 1 plus tan square x by 2 common. What you will get a plus b into this you will get. Now you know the formula 1 minus tan square a by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square a by 2 is cos a. That means that is nothing but cos x. That means answer will be simplified manner divided by this 2 will come down. So a plus b, this is cos x, half angle formula, cos x. So this is the simplified answer. Like that, after doing derivative, you have to convert that into the answer he is asking. Next, suppose, look, you have to find the derivative of this. Derivative of this d by dx of root of tan inverse e power root of sine 2x. Now follow step by step. First function is what? Root. So this completely is x. This completely is x. So 1 by 2 root x. This is x, 2 root x. Right, as it is x. Root of into this. So over, this is fresh differentiation again. Now again first function is what? Tan inverse. Take this x. Take this x. So this will remain same. This will remain same into. So tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. X square means this square means you will get into again for x. Again for x. This now this will remain same. This will remain same. Again fresh differentiation. Again fresh differentiation. You know rule for e power x. This completely you take as x. E power x. E power x is what? E power x is nothing but e power x. Same you will get into d by dx of x root of sine 2x. E power x into d by dx of x. So till here remains same. Again fresh differentiation. By experience you can write fast. For the time being, if you don't write fast, do follow step by step. Root of sine 2x. Now root x. So this is x. Root x means what? 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root sine 2x into d by dx of sine 2x. D by dx of sine 2x is nothing but cos 2x into derivative of 2x2. That is the answer finally. Final answer is that. Like that, first step, after that fresh differentiation, next step, after that fresh differentiation, next step, after that fresh differentiation, like that. Follow in that method, whatever typical it is. Next. D by dx of cos square tan inverse. D by dx of cos square tan inverse equal to dash. Look at this. In some cases, inverse functions will be like this. So don't write directly this one. First you have to simplify this expression and then finally derivative. Finally derivative. So look at. In inverse functions we have seen tan inverse sine of. Here I want to write cot inverse x in sine inverse. Let us take this as alpha. Cot inverse x is there. I want to write in sine inverse. This is x by 1 root of cot means what? Adjacent by opposite side. So root of 1 plus x square. This in sine inverse is what? Sine inverse 1 divided by root of 1 plus x square. This. So this. Now you know why I have written sine of sine inverse means these both will get cancelled. That means sine of sine inverse x is what? X. So that means you will get cos square tan inverse. This will become this. Sine of sine inverse will get cancelled. You will get tan inverse this. Now cos is there. I want to write in cos inverse. Again construct the triangle. Again construct the triangle. Sum of some angle. 1 divided by root of 1 plus x square. Tan means what? Opposite by adjacent. Now this hypotenuse is nothing but root of this is square plus this is square. That means 1 plus 1 plus x square. Therefore, this, so that means this is nothing but cos of tan inverse, cos inverse, cos inverse this divided by this. This square I am writing here. This cos, this square is there up, right? So cos of cos inverse is what? These both will get cancelled. So now this is equal to this. So that means now d by dx of 1 plus x square divided by 2 plus x square is nothing but now u by v. It is easy. U by v. So that means 2 plus x square v into derivative of u d by dx of 1 plus d by dx of x square 0 plus 2x minus u 1 plus x square into derivative of v, derivative of 2 0, derivative of x square 2x divided by v square 2 plus x square whole square, 2 plus x square whole square. So that means you will get 4x plus 2x cube minus 2x minus 2x cube divided by 2 plus x square whole square. So that means 2x cube cancel. So you will get 2x divided by 2 plus x square whole square. This is your answer. We will go to the next concept. Look at next methods are derivatives by using trigonometric substitution. Trigonometric substitution. Okay. By taking terms of some trigonometric substitution, we will make the function simplified and then do the derivative. Look. So suppose a function is given, you have to calculate derivative. Suppose in that term, take this term substitution. Some formula are there, write this substitution. Look at, if in f of x the term it contains, suppose look at 2x by 1 plus x square, 2x by 1 plus or minus x square, comma 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Suppose These three terms you got in the function. Then you take the substitution x equal to tan theta. X equal to tan theta. That means in place of x, we will take tan theta substitution. Suppose if the terms are like this, look at root of a square minus x square. Root of a square minus x square. Then we will take the substitution x equal to a sin theta. X equal to a sin theta or your choice, sin or cos, anything you can take. A cos theta, that is the substitution you have to take. Suppose look at here, root of 4 minus x square is there. That means this is nothing but 2 square minus x square. 2 square minus x square. We can take the substitution x equal to 2 sin theta or 2 cos theta like that. Next, we will see in the problems. Suppose root of a square plus x square. Root of a square plus x square means you have to take the substitution a tan theta or a cot theta. A tan theta or a cot theta. If plus is there. Suppose root of x square minus a square. Root of x square minus a square. X equal to a secant theta or a cosecant theta. That is the substitution you have to take. A secant theta or a cosecant theta. Suppose you got the terms, root of 1 plus x, comma, root of 1 minus x. Root of 1 plus x, comma, root of 1 minus x. X is cos theta. X is cos theta. Root of 1 plus x and root of 1 minus x. Substitution you have to take is x equal to cos theta. So these are some substitutions. We will see how to apply this. And you have to remember the rules. In inverse I told, look at sin inverse sin x. Now you will get in these type of problems. Sin inverse sin x if you get, you can write x if that angle is between minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Only if this x lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, then only you can write sin inverse sin x equal to x. So similarly, let us memorize that. Cos inverse cos x equal to x for all x belongs to only 0 comma pi. Only 0 comma pi. So then tan inverse tan x equal to x. Let us memorize this. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So similarly, 0 comma pi open interval. These four you have to remember. Look at. Look, suppose you will ask like this. Y equal to sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Look at direct doing is one method. Direct doing is one method, right? Sine inverse, we will take this as capital X and then sine inverse x formula like that. Without doing like that, without doing direct method, what we will do is we will take some trigonometric substitution. We will take the substitution such that sine inverse sine x, in this form you will get sine inverse sine x. That means for this term I am taking x equal to tan theta. X equal to tan theta. X equal to tan theta. That means look at x equal to tan theta. If you take like that, first we will simplify this function. Sine inverse tan square theta. That means it can be further simplified. Sine inverse sine 2 theta. Sine inverse sine 2 theta. Sine inverse sine x is what? X. I am writing x. Okay. So this is nothing but what? 2 theta. 2 theta. Generally write sine inverse sine x is what? X. 2 theta. Now theta in terms of x. Theta is what here? Finally, after simplifying, you keep theta equal to tan inverse x. That means this is nothing but what? 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x. Now this is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Doing derivative of this, in these both, this will be easy relatively. That's why this function is simplified by taking trigonometric substitution, such that sine inverse inside sine of something, cos inverse cos of something, tan inverse tan of something, and then writing this formula, function will get simplified. Now I will do the derivative. Look at dy by dx is nothing but d by dx of 2 tan inverse x. That means 2 by 1 plus x square, direct formula. 2 by 1 plus x square. Now look at here, why he has given x interval means, look at, I have told sine inverse sine x equal to x only if x lies in the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now look at sine inverse sine 2 theta is there. When you can write like this, if this 2 theta is there, that lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Look at, so x is given minus 1 to 1. Where theta lies, you have to calculate. Where theta lies, you have to calculate. Now look at, theta is nothing but what? Tan inverse x. Take that x interval. Take that x interval. By using x interval, we will calculate theta interval. Right? Tan inverse, you apply for this. Tan inverse. Whenever you are applying tan inverse, same inequality will come. Tan inverse 1. Tan inverse minus 1 means minus you write outside. Minus you write outside. Tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 means what? Tan inverse tan pi by 4. Less than tan inverse tan pi by 4. That means tan inverse lies where? Minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. That means tan inverse x is what? Theta. Right? Now here 2 theta is there. You check where 2 theta lies. Multiply with 2 theta. Less than pi by 2. So now 2 theta lies in which interval? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now look at sine inverse sine x is there. X is what? 2 theta. X is lying where? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Therefore, sine inverse sine x is what? X. 2 theta. That means 2 tan inverse x. Generally, he will give this x interval because here sine inverse sine x, this angle must lie in the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. That's why he will give like that. Generally. So generally in the exam, how he will give is sine inverse sine whatever you got, this and this will get cancelled, you will get this one. Like that x interval he will give. Those are called principal values. In inverse we have seen already those. For the time being, substitute such that if sine inverse is there, sine will come. Why I have substituted only tan theta? Because this will become sine 2 theta. If you substitute cos theta, that will remain same. Okay. So this is like this. Look at next. We have some formula. Look at. Note down this formula. Whenever you got these terms, you have to write these sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square, not derivative, function, equal to 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x. You remember this basic interval. X he must give in minus 1 to 1. X he must give in minus 1 to 1. Then formula. Next. Similarly, cos inverse 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square equal to 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x when x greater than or equal to 0. When x greater than or equal to 0. These are the principal value intervals. Tan inverse 2 tan inverse x when x lies in the interval minus 1 to 1. These three formula you remember. Whenever you got these terms, you write in place of this and then derivative. Suppose A is given like this 0 to 1. 0 to 1. That means this is what? This function is nothing but 2 tan inverse x. Therefore, dy by dx is nothing but 2 into derivative of tan inverse x is what? 1 by 1 plus x square, like that. So suppose he will ask indirectly. Look, he will ask indirectly. Tan inverse dy by dx equal to dash. X belongs to 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1. Look, you have to identify with this formula. You have to identify with this formula. That means y is nothing but tan inverse 2x square divided by 1 minus x square whole square. 1 minus x square whole square. 2x divided by 1 minus x square. That means this is nothing but 2 tan inverse x square. 2 tan inverse x square. For writing this formula, x must be between minus 1 and 1. Now in place of x, what it is there? Given in the question 0 to 1. Where x square lies? X square will also lie between 0 and 1. Look at this is 2x square divided by, here x must lie between minus 1 and 1. But here in place of x, what is there? X square. That x square must lie in the interval. That x square where it lies 0 to 1. That means in this interval only 0 to 1 also lies. That's why 2 tan inverse x square. That's why interval he will give like this, such that this formula is applicable. No need to worry about that. So that means this is what simplified form 2 tan inverse x square. That means now you can write dy by dx. That is not dy by dx. That is function. Dy by dx equal to 2 into 2 into derivative of tan inverse x square. Right? Derivative of tan inverse x square. 2 into look at tan inverse, this is x. Tan inverse x is what? 1 by 1 plus x square into derivative of x square 2x. So what is the final answer? 4x divided by 1 plus x power 4. That is the answer. Like that you can make use of those rules. F of x equal to sine inverse. F of x equal to sine inverse 8x root x divided by 64x cube. 64x cube. So x belongs to 0, comma 1 by 4. 0, comma 1 by 4. F dash x equal dash. F dash x equal dash. Look. So it can be identified to the form sine inverse 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Look at 2 into 4x root x divided by 1 plus whole square. 64x cube can be written 4x into root x whole square. This is what, according to our rule, sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square is what? 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse 4x root x. Now you can do the derivative easily. 2 outside. 2 outside. Tan inverse 4 into this is x power 3 by 2. This is x power 3 by 2, right? So this can be considered capital X. So that means 2 divided by 1 plus 4x power 3 by 2 whole square into derivative of 4x power 3 by 2. Derivative of capital X. That means 2 divided by 1 plus 16x cube into 4 outside x power n, x power 3 by 2 minus 1, right? So this comes out to be 12 root x divided by 1 plus 16x cube. This is the answer. Derivative. Directly if you do this, it will become lot of difficulty will be there doing. Without writing like that, simplifying, if you do this directly, then it will be difficult for you. ఏంటమ్మా హర్షవర్ధన్ 4 ఎక్కడ ఒక నిమిషం 16 తీసుకోండి 64 16 తీసుకోండి ఓకేనా క్వశ్చన్ లో 16 మార్క్స్ ఎక్కడ ఇది కరెక్టేగా? ఎక్కడరా? 4 ఇంటూ ఎక్కడ? ఇదే 16 అది రాసేగా. 4 క్యూబ్ ఎక్కడ? ఇదే ఇదే 4 స్క్వేర్గా. అవును, 2 2 క్యాన్సిల్. 4 స్క్వేర్ 16 మొత్తానికి స్క్వేర్ ఏది? ఎక్స్కే ఎక్స్కే ఎక్స్కే. ఇక్కడ 16 మార్చుకోండి. 16 మార్చుకోండి. 64 16 అయితే ఇది సరిపోయింది. 16 ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్. ఓకేనా? సో నెక్స్ట్ tan ఇన్వర్స్ ఇలా ఉంది చూడు. ఫైండ్ dy by dx. dy by dx. So you can do it directly. This take capital X and then write and then dy by dx of capital X. But instead of doing that, if you take some substitution and simplify, it will become easy. This is of the form 2 square minus x square. I have told when a term contains when in given function, if the term is there a square minus x square, take the substitution x equal to 2 sin theta. 2 sin theta, right? 2 sin theta. Substitute in this and then simplify. So y equal to tan inverse 2 sin theta divided by root of 4 minus 4 sin square theta. This. So that means if you substitute like this, 2 sin theta divided by root of 4 cos square theta. So this 2 will get cancelled. This 2 and the 2 will get cancelled. Tan inverse sin theta by cos theta. You write root plus, if nothing is given, principal values, positive values. Sin theta by cos theta is what? Tan theta. So now look at this, is converted into tan inverse tan form. That means this is what? Tan inverse tan theta theta. So now in place of theta we have taken this theta. X by 2 is what? Sin theta. Theta is what? Sin inverse x by 2. Theta is what? Sin inverse x by 2. That means in place of theta you replace finally. So this is nothing but, given one is nothing but equal to sin inverse x by 2. This given one and this one are equal. This is not derivative. This function only, sin inverse x by 2. So now you can do it derivative easily. Yes. So now d by dx of sin inverse. Take this capital X, regular procedure. So what is the formula? 1 by root of 1 minus x square into derivative of capital X, 1 by 2. That means your answer will be 1 by root of 4 minus x square. This is the derivative. So 2 will get cancelled here. So like that it can be simplified by taking this substitution. If root of a square minus x square term is there, you take the substitution either x equal to sine theta or x equal to a cos theta or a sine theta. Any of your choice. So simplify the typical version into a little bit easy version, this function. Last problem. Last problem. Tan inverse root of 9 plus x square minus 3 divided by x. Suppose you have to find dy by dx for this. Dy by dx for this root of 3 square plus x square. Substitution is x equal to 3 tan theta. 3 tan theta you take. So finally theta also you calculate here itself. Tan theta is x by 3. That means theta is nothing but tan inverse x by 3. Tan inverse x by 3. So now substitute that. Tan inverse, if you substitute here, root of 9 plus 9 tan square theta minus 3 divided by 3 tan theta. That means tan inverse. If you take 9 common, 9 secant square theta. That means 3 secant theta will come out. Divided by 3 tan theta. So 3 cancel. And then secant theta you write 1 by cos theta. So if you secant theta 1 by cos theta and then taking the LCM, divide by sin theta by cos theta. You will get tan inverse 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Simplify that. 1 minus cos theta formula you know. 2 sin square theta by 2. Yes. So therefore y is what 1 by 2 into theta. What is theta? Theta is that x by 3. Now this bigger version is equal to this. Now you can write easily dy by dx x by 3. So tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square into d by dx of x by 3 means 1 by 3. So that means you will get, so 1 3 will get cancelled, 3 divided by 2 into 9 plus x square. This is the answer. 3 divided by 2 into 1 by 3. So this is the answer. What is the final answer? Like that, by using trigonometric substitution. Okay. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.